Hey guys, Anthony here, and I want to give you a brief overview of the Best Easy Work business opportunity. This is really an incredible business opportunity where you can make money as a free member. Everyone who comes into Best Easy Work as a free member or paid member is able to make at least $25 for every person, for every paid sign up. Okay, so this is Best Easy Work overview, and let's get started. All right, I'm gonna scroll down on my page here and talk to you a little bit about this young man here, Martin Ruiz. He is the owner of Best Easy Work, and he has put together a very comprehensive back office. I mean, it is full of information. So, if you have any questions about what to do, there's a lot of training videos back here. There's a lot of information where you can get all your questions answered. But this is Martin Ruiz, and he is the owner of Best Easy Work. Okay, I'm gonna scroll back up to the top on the page, to the very top, to show you this is actually a live presentation, a live overview of the back office. Today is November 27th, and this is my back office. My name is Anthony Bates, and I'm at the level of $188. And right under that, you'll see a little statement that says, if no dollar amount appears, you are a free member. So obviously, I'm not a free member. I did start it as a free member. And when I made a few sales, then I upgraded. Actually, I made about 2 sales, and then I immediately upgraded because I saw the potential. Anyway, this is my back office. As you can see, my name there, A. Bates. You can also see my link to Best Easy Works. I'm gonna click on that link really quick so you can see what it looks like when you click on this link. So when you join, when you decide to click on the link and you see another part of the back office, you see Martin Ruiz there, and you see the heading there, no selling, no talking, no hassles, unlimited monthly funding residuals. Okay, we answer and handle your incoming calls. And of course, that over here that says get paid daily, easy 500 plus paydays, 100% on autopilot. Well, as you scroll down this page, because this will be your actual sign up page, you'll see there's a couple of videos here. Real quick, you probably have seen some of these ads posted somewhere on the internet, but I want to show you how simple it is to get your own website. You see down here at the bottom of this page, it says apply now. Form must be completed to get your free website instantly. And it is so easy to do. Just put your name, your email, and these numbers that they ask you to put in there, enter the digits above into the box below, and you scroll down and you click the button and you get your free website. So what does that mean? You signed up for free. You have your own website with all of this information on it. Everything that you see here, you will have, and you'll be able to promote. And if anybody joins Best Easy Work under your link and becomes a paid member, you will receive $25 no matter what level that person joined. They can join at the $188 level or a $5,000 plus level. You will make $25. What is really interesting about Best Easy Works, and I'm going to go back to my other page here. What's really interesting about Best Easy Works is that there's no monthly fees. There's no monthly fees. The main thing that you would need to do is to drive traffic to your website. Okay, so once they get onto your website, you'll have your besteasywork.com / whatever name you choose to get started. And when that person joins on your website and becomes a paid member, you will earn $25. Isn't that amazing? You don't have to spend any money to join this company, but they will pay you $25 for every paid member. Okay. Also, there's a link under here that even if someone wants to do the part two, you said the postcard program, the secondary program, use this free postcard link. And there's the link right here. So I'm gonna click on that link real quick so I can just show you what's back there. Okay, so anybody who wants to like get postcards and mail them out, they can turn this into a cash delivery, unlimited cash delivery to their mailbox. For a one-time $50 payment, you get 200 postcards, 200 addresses for opportunity seekers that are looking to make money online. All right, so you really don't have to like talk to anybody. You don't have to sell them anything. You know, the website and the postcards do all the work for you. Okay, and again, if you are a free member and someone joins, you will make $25 from your new member. Okay, and this is really exciting because this is all part of your back office. Okay, in this particular example here, there's 10 levels. And of course, no matter what they spend, whether they come in at $100 or come in at $10,000, as a free member, you earn $25 for every paid member. Free members do not receive postcards or addresses, but members roll up to the paid sponsor, okay? Payments depend on your level and your new members level. So this is, again, a really great opportunity. You see Martin Ruiz there again. You're talking about making $3,050 delivered to his mailbox. I mean, this is really an amazing opportunity. So if you're looking to get started with a business, and you don't have any money to get started, then, you know, join the Best Easy Works business opportunity. You know, there's my link there. I'll put a link under this video for you to get started. You can start for free, and remember that you must drive traffic, you know, so that people know that you're in business. And once they sign up and they become a paid member, you will earn $25. So click on that link below this video, subscribe to my channel, like the content, and all the best to you. I'll see you on the inside. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.